So I heard that there are ghosts that are trending at Mbudzi Cemetery, and I decided to go there and spend 24 hours sitting in the cemetery, sitting in the graveyard, eating there, doing some challenges that people gave me. So I got a lot of challenges that people gave me. The first challenge is I should make a friend there at the graveyard. The second challenge is I should go and buy food and eat while sitting in the graveyard. The third challenge is I should go and place some food on a random tombstone there on the graveyard. The fourth challenge is I should talk to the dead person, like talking to the tombstone or the grave, telling them any emotional story of my choice. Having a conversation with the dead, you know what I'm saying? And the fifth challenge is I should go and touch any tombstone of my choice. Yo, guys, this was hectic. I wanna lie, this was scary. So if this was awesome, please make sure you like, comment, you share, and you subscribe for more and more content. Road to 13,000. Let's get into the video. Let's get it. So yes, I'm inside the graveyard. Yeah. Time ziripo. Zanatorobata October, November, December. Tichiripo. Zaka muchikero kungochikora mega muri muno. Kumakarowa kana zvipoko makangogara muri muno.
Mutotaka kutogara masikati na indo gona kutofura muno mukana kuti zvekuma half 8 to 9 10.
Ma half 8?
Muno.
Usiku?
Muna.
Amunerimo.
Apa zvirimo badafiya. Sanga naona zvo ungabane zvanenge wakaita. Asana bada.
Ara wakachena wona chipoko chaunoona.
Ari pamukore. Ndoto chikamurodi.
Gani muno? Muno mabatiri muno.
Muno mukana, muno matombo.
Ko gadwa muno gadwa. Oh.
Muno gadwa. Mutangarika kufukurirwa.
Waitira makofini. Iro timbe muno mraka kubata uchita zvauri muno mara polisi. Wakangozuro zvako zvina problem nongoto wazona amenyu. Kuzotonyorawo. Sa raritoya zena bonde muno. Aba zimbari zvinde. So yeah guys, one of the challenges was to make friends here in the grave. So yeah, I already made a friend here in the grave and he was telling me a lot of stories, like a lot of fun stories, man. He was telling me about the people that come here to date, people that come here to jola, people that come here to park their cars, and they're even using this graveyard as lodges, guys. Can you even imagine? And the most part that is shocking that he told me is people, they're even doing farming here in the grave. Let me show you guys what people are doing. They are farming, imagine, on top of the graveyard. Guys, imagine. Look at this. This maize, what do you call it? That's insane, like for you. So I guess there's quite a lot of challenges that I should complete here. So The second challenge is I should touch one of the graves. Jesus. I'm really afraid. I don't wanna lie. I'm really afraid. Like really afraid. But yeah, guys, you know, I have to do it, man. Like I do anything for content, you know what I'm saying, and I do anything for you guys. So I'm so super scared. Like, but anyways, guys, let me look for any grave to touch. I didn't have the confidence to lot around the graves, but you know what gave me the confidence is I heard that there's a lot of people that are coming into Jola. One, there are people also that are coming here to do drugs here in the graveyard. As you can see, it's a graveyard, ne? So it's so big, like everywhere there's a graveyard. So the drug dealers, they are coming here to do drugs in the graveyard because they know that there's no police that's gonna come and chase them. They are playing also casino, what do you call it, playing cards, where they will be, I don't know, man, something like baiting, like illegal baiting. I don't know, man. They call it in Juga and Shona. Please forgive me, my English is as bad as your girlfriend. But anyways, guys, yeah, one of the challenges I have to touch in tombstone of my choice. Hey, man, I'm afraid. I'm scared. But anyways, guys, please, Zimbabweans, leave whatever that you're doing. Don't come here and park your car so that you jola, so that you'll be kissing, and so that you have sex here in the graveyard. It's very bad. Like it's not good, man. It's not good. Stop that behavior. It's not nice. It's not nice. And also, whoever who's doing cultivation here, I don't know if it's tombstone cultivation. Please stop it, man. It's not fun. Like it's not fun for you. Anyways, guys, let me finish. Let me do one of the challenges that you requested. Like, I'm very scared. I don't want to lie. I'm super scared. Anyways, let's get it. Anyways, guys, I don't want to lie, man. I just completed one of the challenges that you guys told me to do. It's so scary. I just touched this tombstone and Anyways, guys, yeah, one of the other challenges is crazy. Guess the next challenge, guys. Guess the next challenge. It's crazy. So yo guys, please don't come for me, don't attack me saying please you're disrespectful, you're disrespecting the dead. Please, guys, know that I'm not disrespecting anyone. I'm just doing this for entertainment, and of course I'm asking for permission. If you can see behind me, if you can see it, there are some relatives that are coming here to do what you call it, to do the cleanings on the tombstone. As you can see, yes, clean. There are some people that were cleaning here in the relatives. So I asked for permission to touch the tombstone that I recently touched, and they permitted me. And luckily they know me. And I said, they just said, don't show the name. So don't come for me. I know you guys, some of you say, hey, blah blah blah, you're messing with the dead, blah blah, this and that. And nah, please, I'm not doing that. So guys, the next challenge is crazy. You know, the next challenge is I have to go buy some food and eat sitting next to the tombstone. Guys, things that I do for content, guys, they're crazy. I don't wanna lie. I have to go and buy some food down there and eat sitting next to any random tombstone of my choice. Yeah, that's crazy. But yo guys, you know I do anything for you guys. I do anything for content. Yo guys, please watch my ads. Don't skip my ads. Tell a friend. Don't forget to like, to comment, to share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. So why not going to buy? Why not buying the food without any further ado? Let's get it. So yeah guys, we currently going to the main road to buy some food, and then we'll come back and sit here in the graveyard to eat the food next to any tombstone of my choice. That's crazy. Because I'm gonna be sitting on the shadow next to the tombstone, next to the dead. Imagine next to a stranger, dead stranger I don't even know. Guys, see the risk that I'm taking for you guys. Guys, yeah. Risk life. Anyways, let's go and get some food at the road. Let's get it. So yeah, guys, as you can see, we just arrived at the road, and this is where the food, and yeah, I'm gonna buy there. So yeah, I just saw the food. So yeah, let's go and buy some food. Banana. Let's go. Oh, you quit Nangarji. Nangar 4. Guarandira ma banana ni ma apple for coin. Doana mangan.
Banana ma apple anta 50 cents at 2.
Ala 50 cents at 2.
That's the coin. And 1 banana 2 ma apple. Banana 1 apple.
So guys, I'm back. I just bought some fruit. As you can see, there's an apple and some bananas. So I'm gonna sit down there. I'm gonna sit on the shadow there. So yeah, let's sit and see what's popping. So guys, I ended up not sitting on that shade. Imagine guys what happened. When I was about to sit there, I saw someone's poop. Guys, imagine people that are even pooping here in the graveyard. So like people that are scared of the dead, right? I was about to sit there and chow my food, and then boom, I saw someone's poo next to the dead. Imagine guys, what the fuck is that? Anyways, let me sit here. I think it's better. Let me sit here. Zimbabweans. So guys, I just finished the challenge. I'm only left with 2 challenges. The first challenge is I have to share food with the dead, and the last one is I have to tell the dead a sad story, like sharing a sad story with the dead. Either it might be heartbreak or a sad story or what. I understand. So I have to look for any random tombstone of my choice to give this food, because I left this full banana and this half apple. You know, sharing is caring. So yeah, let's go and see it. Who am I gonna share with today? Let's get it. So yeah guys, we're still searching. I think I'm gonna go for that one by the corner there. So let's go and give them some food. So guys, as you can see, I just placed an apple and a banana on this tombstone. So yeah, challenge finished. So yeah guys, now I'm left with the final challenge. I'm tired guys, I've been here since the morning, and the final challenge is crazy, man. I have to share an emotional story with the dead Nyana. What can I say, man? Do I even have an emotional story? Let's see what I'll come up with. Let me tell you this one. I'm sure this is one of the most craziest videos that have ever happened in Zimbabwe, but yeah, man, it is what it is, man. Anyways, guys, we have come to the end of the video. Yeah, now I'm going home. It's like 5:05 right now, and I've been here since morning, and I'm so tired, and I just feel like resting. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, thank you for watching the video today, and please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more United States. Road to 13,000. Yeah, 13K. I love you so much, guys.